This is our accident detection and road safety device, and it is very easy to install. You just have to attach it to any vehicle model and it functions without any human help. We have produced 10 of these devices, which we piloted with motorcycle riders here in Kigali and one enterprise, eMotions. We are also partnering with MTN Rwanda to provide connectivity for these devices, so the users does not need to worry about the internet connection. The system comes with live tracking dashboard, including the individual rider's dashboard and enterprise, where they can directly manage the driving behaviors. It records the speed, acceleration, including any harsh brakes. And when the driver is driving risky, it reflects on the dashboard as well. During our pilot, we issued over 100 risky driving alerts, preventing potential accidents from happening, and also detected 2 real accidents, which we validated. And we have implemented artificial intelligence and machine learning, where we trained the system with the data we've been collecting from our pilots to make it more reliable. And we have also built a simulation robot which helped us to stress test the system, and when an accident is detected it reflects on the dashboard and also alerts emergency responders. We have built a chatbot which helps users to understand their data even in their local languages.
Give me tips on how to improve my driving behavior.
LGuard is built to be strong and durable.